see if I'm happy in your hands. I'm unusually hard to hold on to. Convince me to please you. Made me think that I need this too. You mean well, but you make this hard on me. I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause you tell me it's breaking this, you know. I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause you tell me it's breaking this. If you're on your way, I'm not gonna write you to say, hey, before you have this leaving, I need a better reason to write you a love song today. Promise me that you'll leave the light on, 'cause I believe there's a way you can love me, because I say I won't write you a love song, 'cause you ask for it, 'cause you need one. You see, I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause you tell me it's make or break, and this is that why you wanted a love song, 'cause you tell me it's make or break, and this you're on your way. I'm not gonna write you to say, hey, here I know we're in it, I don't want it for a minute, babe. I walk the 17s, I believe that there's a reason to write you a love song today. Thank you.